Hi everyone, welcome to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. This month we are going to be making our delicious and easy side dish. So it's January, we've overindulged maybe during the holidays, so we're getting back on track with our healthy intake. And what better way than to start with a nice vegetable side dish? We will be making our air fried cauliflower bites. Come join me. The ingredients are 1 head of fresh cauliflower, 1.5 tablespoons oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground mustard, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon pepper. So super easy. We're going to take our fresh cauliflower head and we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces, and then we'll add them to our bowl. First thing when you're cutting your fresh cauliflower head, you obviously have that big stem that you want to make sure we remove. As we're cutting our cauliflower florets, we want to make sure we're cutting them in about 1 to 2 inch cubes. So, not overwhelmingly large, but enough to be able to consume in 1 to 2 bites. So next, we are just going to mix our spices together before we pour them on top of our cauliflower. We'll pour our oil on top of our cauliflower, and then we'll add our spices and we will mix to combine. So you'll preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Once it's done preheating, we'll add the food. And we're going to cook it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, we'll take it out and we'll just flip the pieces around so they do not get too cooked. The first 5 minutes ended. So we're going to take out the cauliflower, flip them and move them around. Make sure that they're not cooking too much on one side versus the other, and then put them back in. And we'll continue to do that for an additional 5 minutes, 2 cycles, and then they'll be ready to enjoy. Okay, so after the cauliflower bites have finished cooking, you have these beautiful golden roasted colored cauliflower bites. They're perfect. So you can plate them and you could serve them with any side dip or sauce, maybe hot sauce or tahini, or drizzle one of your favorite maybe chipotle sauces on top. However you like to enjoy these is a perfect side dish, appetizer or side dish to go along with your entree. Thank you for joining us this month on Cooking with Celebrate, and come back again next month for our lovely, wonderful, and delicious recipe we have waiting for you.